I'm going to show you how to open one of these key lock boxes with just a piece of paper. And you can see this one is locked. I've set it all to zeros across so I know where my starting point is. And this is not going to open without the right combo. But in this kind of lock, and anything like this with a roll of numbers from 0 to 9, so there's 10 different possible numbers on each, you're going to find there's a flat spot that's called a gate. And it might be in one position that isn't visible. So the gate might need to be lined up on the back side of the numbers. But what I'm going to do is expose the gate here on the top side. And I'll show you how to do that. I just took a piece of a Post-it. This was a Post-it that had the lines on it. And I just cut a slice off. And it just so worked out that this little imprinted line here, it's in a very good spot for me to notice how deep the paper slides into the lock. And that way I can figure out if I'm on a flat spot like a gate or if I'm on this round spot like where the numbers are. Everything but the gate spot. So here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to dive it in here on the side. And you can see that the line is just sitting at the top of the 0. It's really not going down low. And I'll just kind of go through every number here and feel for where it hits a flat spot. And you can really feel it because it'll almost bottom out in a sense. And when you find that one, you need to remember it because we're going to come back and we're going to flip around to the other side and see if that'll open it. And right there, it obviously dove down in. You can see the blue line and it's going down deep. It's nice and flush. You can just feel it that's the flat gate. So let's go ahead and check the next one. 0, the line is still high. Line is still high. Still high. You can feel it's just not poking it. There we go, dives right in. And you can see here, got the line gets almost not visible there on the camera. Dives right in. So I think we've got the first two. This one, it sits on top. Still sits on top. It looks like it slides right in. We're going deeper there. Yeah, I think it's 2. This next one here sits on top. Sitting on top. I hope you can see that difference there where the line is. And I can just tell that it's just not giving me that feeling that it's flat and deeper on all of these. Now that one, it just jumped right down in. So I definitely feel like these are the 4 gates, 6, 4, 2, 6. But that's not the combination. That's just all the gates lined up on the front edge because I could feel them with the paper. I need to rotate them to the back. So by doing that, I'm going to go 5 numbers forward or backwards, doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I've got my, what was a 6, all the way on the back side, the flat spots lining up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This, I think, is my combo here, 1971 it looks like, somebody's birthday maybe, and it opens right up. That's how you open up a lock with a piece of paper.